two guys in the first and second round, and you know what? That's just still not showing up yet today.
Here's Hardin. Takes the handoff.
Oh, somehow they missed him. He dives, and he scores. Oh, my goodness. How did that happen? Hardman, it was a great job by Bell on the block. Kelsey blocks his guy all the way to the sideline. And then you see Brown seals it, but it was all Hardman. I mean, you're going to see some good blocks, but watch this little subtle change. Oh, and then turn it back on. Fooled Addison, number 97. That's in. Wow, what a play.